In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to bulk delete reviews in Loox using your Shopify store, all within about 5 minutes. So let's get started. First, what you want to do is open your favorite web browser and navigate to Shopify's website. Just type shopify.com into your URL bar and hit enter. Once you're there, you'll need to log into your account. Enter your credentials, that is, your username and password, and access your Shopify dashboard. Before we go further, I want to emphasize one important thing. Make sure that the Loox Photo Reviews app is installed in your Shopify store. This application is crucial since it allows you to manage your customer reviews effectively. If it's not installed, you'll need to do that first, because it's essential for the steps we'll be covering today. Now, once you're logged in, take a look at the left-hand side of your dashboard. You'll see a menu, and from there, you want to click on Apps. This section will show you all the apps that are integrated with your Shopify store. Locate the Loox app in your list and click to open it. Once you're inside the Loox app, navigate to the Reviews section. This is where you can manage all the reviews that have been left by your customers. At this point, I do need to mention a limitation within the Loox app. Direct deletion of reviews isn't currently available. However, we have a great alternative that will help you with cleaning up those reviews without necessarily deleting them. Within the Reviews section, look at the options available to you. You'll find a feature called Bulk Actions. By using Bulk Actions, you can, instead of deleting, choose to unpublish the reviews. This way, they'll no longer be visible to the public on your store, effectively achieving the same result as deletion from a customer's perspective. Another option you have under Bulk Actions is to undo all imports. This is particularly useful if you've previously imported reviews that you now want to remove collectively. It's a straightforward approach to clear all the reviews that have been imported so far. Just select this option, and it will effectively remove all imported reviews from your visibility. So there you have it. While you can't delete reviews directly, using the Unpublish or Undo All Imports options in Bulk Actions is the next best thing. It allows you to manage the visibility of reviews efficiently. Remember, maintaining a clean and relevant review section can make a big difference in customer perception and trust. And that's the process to bulk delete reviews, or at least manage them similarly, in Loox on your Shopify store. I hope you found this guide helpful and you can now manage your reviews more effectively. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.